All right, welcome back. So in this section, I'm just going to show you how to set up Twilio, which is going to be the service that manages our text messages. So the first step is to get a phone number. Now, it's really kind of a straightforward process. You have to purchase that phone number. It costs about $1 a month, and then I think, under 1 cent per 1,000 text messages. So once you have that phone number set up, what you first want to program is the response to every single text message that you receive. So Twilio has this the service called Studio, in which you have flows. And this is kind of a no-code way of creating flows or different steps that you want to happen when you receive a text message. In this one, we're just going to automate for every incoming message we want to send a response. So if I click here, so incoming message, I send a response, and the response body is right here. So it says message receive, give this a few minutes to run, you should receive a confirmation shortly. So what we want to do from here is that every time we receive a text message, we want to trigger this workflow. So I go to trigger, and it gives me this webhook URL. So I copy this, and we're going to take this URL, and in our SMS or our phone number, we're going to associate that phone number to this webhook so that it's triggered every time we receive a text message. So I come here, I go into SMS, messaging service, response, and then select inbound settings, send an incoming message webhook, and then I paste the URL here so that this is triggered every time we receive a text message. And in the next video, I'll show you how to set up Zapier so that every message you receive, you find the email address and you send it to your email marketing service.